How to pack for a motorcycle road trip. First, you have your dry bag and your saddlebag liners, sleeping bag, tent, everything you need to camp, a variety of different base layers, some for heat, some for cold temperatures, cooling vest to keep you cool, waterproof jacket and pants, a mesh jacket and pants for the hotter temperatures, summer gloves and waterproof winter gloves for varying temperatures, a heated jacket liner you can plug into the bike for those really cold days, some neck gaiters to keep your neck and nose warm, electronics and cords, toiletries, and finally putting everything together in packing cubes so it's easier to access and organize.